This video series shows how to commission the CPX-AP-I-EC EtherCAT Remote I/O with Omron PLC. Learn how to do the commissioning in this video. An application note is available on this topic with complete and detailed instructions. Creating a new project. Open Omron Sysmac Studio software. Click on New Project. Provide a name to the project. Select NJ301-1100 from device. Select 1.18 from version. Click on Create. Configuring the IP address of the PLC. Go to Configurations and Setup. Double-click on Built-in Ethernet IP port settings. Note: IP address of the PLC and workstation must be in same range. Enter the IP address and subnet mask. Note: after setting IP address, choose the communication setup method. To do that, go to Controller menu. Select Communication Setup. Select Ethernet connection via a hub. Enter the IP address of the PLC. Click on Ethernet Communications Test button. Test OK will appear on Successful Test. Adding the ESI file. Double-click on EtherCAT. Right-click on Master. Select Display ESI Library. Click on Install File. Choose the downloaded ESI file. The installed file is displayed in the ESI library. Configuring CPX-AP devices. Note: go online before scanning the devices. Go to Controller menu. Select Online. Double-click on EtherCAT. Right-click on Master. Select Compare and Merge with Actual Network Configuration. Note: first, you need to write slave node address for CPX-AP-I-EC. Click on Display Write Slave Node Address dialog button. Enter the slave node address as 1 in Set Value column and press Enter button. Click on Write button to write the slave node address. Click on Write button on Slave Node Address Writing dialog. Note: after writing slave node address to CPX-AP-I-EC, power restart the module. Right-click on Master. Select Compare and Merge with Actual Network Configuration. The device connected to EtherCAT master will be displayed. To add the scanned devices, click on Apply Actual Network Configuration button. Click on Apply. Note: go to offline mode before configuring the CPX-AP devices. Go to Controller menu. Select Offline. Select CPX-AP-I-EC-M12 from EtherCAT window. Click on Edit Module Configuration. Select Module Config Send Method as Send. Double-click on I/O map. Enter the tag name for outputs port 0, inputs port 0, and inputs port 4, PQI. Open Global Variables. Here you can find assigned tags for SMS input and output. Rebuild and download the project to the controller. Adding the library. Go to Project menu. Select Library. Click on Show References. Click on Create Reference button. Select the downloaded library. Process data input monitor and output control. Note: watch table should be added to monitor and control process data. Go to View menu. Click on Watch tab page. Configure the required input and output address to be monitored and controlled. Select binary option in display format. Note: you will get input values in second byte and set the output values in second byte of the array because of the byte swap. Refer to the manual of the I/O link devices for bitwise mapping of process data in and process data out. As per bit mapping of process data in, the cylinder is in state and position. Execute the move out process according to the data out bit mapping by setting it to 1. Position changes are seen in process data in, status out bit turns 1. Execute the move in by setting 1, according to the process data out bit mapping. Position changes are seen in process data in, status in bit turns 1. Diagnostics of CPX-AP. Note: go offline before configuring the diagnostics of CPX-AP devices. Open Program window. Right-click on rung 0. Select Insert Function Block F. Search for CPX-AP Diag. Name the functional block as required. Create and assign the tags to function block inputs and outputs. Note: rebuild and download the program to the PLC. Note: open Watch tab page and enter Program 0 to monitor diagnostic data of CPX-AP-I before start working with diagnostic block. Double-click on EtherCAT. Note down the node address of CPX-AP-I-EC. Enter the node address in EtherCAT address tag. Set Enable tag as true. Diagnostic block is enabled. Active status is true. Number of active module are shown in active modules. Note: if an error occurs, you will find the error details in diagnostic block. In this example, I/O link device is interrupted. Error module number is visible in module number tag. Number of active error are visible in active error. Browse the module diagnostic data to view the diagnostic details of error occurred module. In error description, we can view the error details as no device connected. After fixing the error, diagnostic details will be automatically updated. Now the commissioning is completed.